Hi, I'm Dr. David Rubin from the University of Chicago. I'm in Austin, Texas for the third Crohn's and Colitis Congress, a great collaboration between the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation and the AGA. At this meeting, we have over 1,300 IBD professionals who are hearing the latest updates in clinical care of patients with IBD, and very importantly, basic and translational research as well. This has turned out to be a great meeting, and I want to invite you to the next one. The fourth Crohn's and Colitis Congress will be in Las Vegas, Nevada, January 21st through the 23rd, 2021. At this meeting, you'll have the opportunity to network, to see your colleagues, for those who are junior in the field, to learn more about how to improve your careers, and very importantly, for us to hear the latest updates in treatments as well as in research. I look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas. Go to crohnscolitiscongress.org to learn more.